Hey guys, if you ever own one of these and then you decide to have a rear fender eliminator, and then you change your license plate uh, light, and then you have one of these, and then you have to cut your factory wiring, there's an other easy option that you don't have to cut your actual wirings, and then you could just hook up a connector, which I have. This is a connector. You can buy it off on Amazon, or I could give you the link below. These are the connectors for, you can search as for the turn light signals for the mirrors. These are like $6, and then you could use one of these to connect it, and then you don't have to cut your actual factory wirings. So I've actually installed it and then took the adapter, and then I insert it right here, so I don't have to remove all my side fairings again. So let's connect this in. Okay, now that's connected. So as you guys know, the red is the power, the black is the ground, same as here. Yellow is the power and then black is the ground. So you plug the red one in there, the yellow and red together, there you go, and then the black and black together. All right, there we go. So let's power it on and see if it works. So the moment of truth, it works.